Now we're here to get into the 3D format of our virtual open house. This is going to let us walk in the unit. These are the great things of technology today. In here, you're going to be able to look a little bit of the layout of the unit, which shows that this is the entrance. This area shows you the guest bedroom and bathroom. And as you continue to this hallway, you'll find the kitchen here and then the living and dining area. And all this area is the master suite. So let's start from the entrance. And as we walk through this hallway towards the living area, I want you to enjoy this visit. This place has amazing views, and as I've been telling you from the beginning, it's all about views and the location. Try to forget about the furniture here and look at the spaces and being surrounded of windows, and basically you're surrounded by the outside. You have a wraparound balcony here that goes from the master suite all the way to the dining room area. So the view from here is, of course, the ocean. And as you see that door on the back, that's the entrance to the master suite. We will get there in a few minutes, but I'm standing here because I want to show you that from here we have access to the kitchen, which has like a flow layout. The kitchen is original, but you cannot forget that this unit is being used as a second home for the last 16 years. So it's been basically used at the most for 4 months a year. The refrigerator and the dishwasher are newer appliances. There is a pantry on your left, the vertical cabinet that you see there. Now imagine yourself sitting here and having breakfast with this amazing view. Isn't that great? All the windows are impact windows and all the sliding doors as well. The window treatments are retractable shades. They're kind of like see-through, but protect everything from the sunlight. In the master suite is where you have a blackout, and it is electric, but we'll go there in a few minutes. So going back, here's the entrance. I'm gonna walk you through the guest bedroom. This hallway before the entrance of the guest bedroom, on the left, the closet door that you see there is where washer and dryer are located. As you can see, there are neutral colors, marble floors throughout. That futon that you see there is a queen-size futon, just to give you an idea of the space. When it's open, you can walk through around it, and you'll have still space in the room. From here, you can get to see the kayaks or the boats going through the Intracoastal. And that bridge that you see there is a bridge that comes from Alton Road and ends up in 63rd Street. These are custom-made storage units that were built especially for this area, just to add more storage to the closet. This is a guest bathroom. This bathroom has good storage behind the sink and also has some more of those custom-made cabinets, the gray one you see on the on top of the toilet. This bathroom has a shower. It's behind the door. It didn't come up on this video, but it's there. I promise, it's there. The AC unit is only 1 year old. There is right before the entrance a door where is located the AC unit. You're the only one that have access to it. So now we're going to go into the master suite. Take a look at it. The bed that you see here is a king-size bed. Just to give you an idea of the space. That wall unit that you see around the TV monitor was custom made. It has areas to hang clothes. It has drawers. It has storage spaces on the top. And actually, below the TV monitor, there is like a filing cabinet so you can store your personals there. As I mentioned before, the blind is electric, it's a blackout. So the only thing you need to do when you open your eyes in the morning is push a button and you will have this, I'm going to show you this amazing view all for you without getting out of bed. How do you like that? So before we go again to the balcony, let me show you that the bathroom, the master bathroom. That mirrored door that you see there is the walk-in closet. So it's not only that you have the wall unit for storage, you also have a walk-in closet. That is nicely made. The master suite bathroom has double sink. It also has a bidet, a hot tub, and a shower. So now let's go outside and we'll take a walk of this amazing wraparound balcony. Those wires that you see and the patches on the ceiling, it is from last year when they were making all this painting to the building and fixing, small issues. And also they did paint the balcony rails, made some adjustments to all the sliding doors. So that is very good to know that the building is always being kept up to date and well maintained. That is very important. Look at this amazing view of the Miami skyline. In this balcony, you're going to be able to see, you have a 270-degree views. You cannot see it from this shot, but right now you can get to see the guitar-shaped Hard Rock Cafe in Hollywood. Up to there, you can see Aventura, Bal Harbor, everything that is up north from North Miami. Let's go back into your unit. I can stay out in this balcony for hours. It's just amazing. So again, this unit has 1,322 square feet. The building was built in 2004. The HOA monthly fee is $1,055. This particular unit has 2-car garage. Well, actually 2 parking spots, I should say, in tandem. Not all the units, not all the 2-bedroom, 2-bath units in this building have two parking spots. Most of them have only 1. And if you have another vehicle, well, the valet parking can take care of it. So, with all that being said, and these views, amazing views that I showed you, I hope you like this unit. The good thing is that Akoya is allowing showings right now, even though we're in this quarantine. So give me a call. I can show you Monday to Friday from 9 to 5. I'll be so happy to show you. So give me a call.